Welcome back to Conya's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got a lobster bisque. But hey, we doing it with no lobsters. I know you like, what? No lobster to make lobster bisque? I know it sounds crazy, but I think I done figured it out. So we're gonna try a little experimental dish because I'm pretty confident that it's gonna taste just like lobster bisque. Now, it may not have lobster meat in it, but hey, you like soup, you like tomato bisque, it don't got meat in it either. So think of it as like a lobster bisque with the tomato bisque kind of texture, same thing, right? So, real eager to make this and see if it really turns out to be a good lobster bisque dish without no lobster. So stay tuned and let's see how it turns out.
Eureka, look on the track. Eureka, look on the track.
Oh, yep. I knew that was gonna end bad. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. This is like, okay.
So I know y'all saw that action shot. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good. Now I garnished it with little croutons on top and some parsley. Now, like I said, I didn't have any lobster meat. So now we're gonna test it. It looks good. It looks just like any lobster bisque that I've ever tried. So we're gonna try it out now. Let's see. Got the nice texture, look at that. Got that nice texture. Ooh, look, okay. Let's try it out. Get some crouton in there, let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is good. I told y'all. Lobster bisque with no lobster. It is definitely possible. And I did it beautifully. Oh, so beautifully. Oh my goodness. These like garlic butter croutons too on top, so oh my god. Oh, yup. That's some good ass soup. Well, like I said, we're just gonna do it. Experiment was a success. Whew. I can't wait to see what the next thing I'm gonna try is. So, you know the deal. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and I'm already messing up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, 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 please try this recipe. I'm telling you, so much easier and cheaper than buying real lobster. And I'm telling you, it's great. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the next episode. We out.